Hello friends, in this video we will see how to draw the nose and the lips using a pen. So as you can see that first is the nostrils, which is quite dark, so I'm straightly going with darkness to it. And now you can see that I'm shading the nose with the hatching technique as you saw in the previous video. So I'm just giving a smooth hatching layer. So I have to do this throughout the nose, so that will make the first layer for the nose. So you are seeing that I'm just giving a smooth layer of hatching all around the nose. So it's just based on the reference photo. You can see that in the reference photo the places which are dark, the places which are light, and according to it you have to just give that shading using the hatching technique and the cross hatching technique. So now we are done almost giving the first layer. So now I'm going with the second layer, because as you can see in the reference photo there is a darkness at places, and so for that we'll just go with the second layer of hatching. So the more you observe the reference photo, the more realistic you can draw. So based on your observation only. So as you can see that I'm leaving the white areas as such. So now we will draw the lips. So the same procedure, go with the first layer, then the second layer of darkness, and then extra values. So I'm just going with the first layer. So control is very important. You have to control your pen, the pressure, you have to control it. So as you can see that I'm just giving a dark layer in between, as the lips, in between the lips it is dark, and then I'm just going with the first layer all around the lips, the upper lips and the lower lips, and the side portions are also dark according to the reference. So now we have given the first layer of the lips. So now I'll do is a second layer. So the second layer will add darkness to the lips. As you can see that the lips are still darker. So I'll just give a second layer. So everything is based on your hatching technique only. You have to concentrate on your hatching technique. So as you can see that I'm just giving darkness to the places where it is required as per the reference. So now I'm using a white pen. As you can see in the reference photo, the lips contains some highlights. So when the lip is glossy, that means if it is a shiny lip, like they are using some kind of lipstick, then we will see some white spots or white regions in the lips. So that's why I'm using a white pen. So that will give that a little bit of glossy effect to the lips, so which will make it more realistic. So now we will do the region above the mouth. So the region below the nose and the mouth. We will do that. So as you can see that there's a little bit darkness below the nose, so I'm just giving first an initial layer, and then I'll just give a second layer there. So you can see that I'm just giving the darkness at the region, and now I'm giving a shade of hatching, light layer of hatching in the side parts of the nose. So you can see that in the reference photo the right hand side is a lighter, so I'm just giving a light shade on the right side, while the left hand side is a little bit dark, so I'll be going a little bit dark on the left. So now I'm going on the left, so this portion will be a little bit dark compared to the right side. So guys, that's all. It's just the simple thing. You have to just watch the reference photo and then do the shading according to it. So that will just start. So this is just for beginners, like we will go advanced in this pen drawing. As you can see that I'm just finishing up. So in the next video we will see the other parts. Okay, so it will be like the cheeks and the forehead and the chin part. So I hope you have understood something from this video, and if this video helped you, give this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thank you for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.